So you bought yourself a crawler and now you want to start running it. But for some reason you don't want to go outside. It could be because of the weather, it could be too cold, it could be too hot, or some other reason you just want to stay inside. And there are many ways of crawling inside. You could build yourself a big table with a proper indoor crawling course like many YouTubers are doing, and if you want to know how to do that, there's a lot of guides out there, so just search on YouTube and see if you can find one that suits you. But if you don't feel like doing that, what do? There are options. And first of all, you might think that crawling on stuff inside would be too easy. There are also ways to make it a lot harder for yourself. One of which is buying a trailer. The Traxxas trailer is not tied down by pretty much any means other than friction, and it pops off very easily, so you need to be very careful when you're driving it. So that's one way of making it harder for yourself and much more fun. But what ways can you do? Let's check a few of them out.